Sandwiches? Check. Juice? Check. Our picnic is ready!
Yes! I love picnic day! Mom, can I eat now?
Not yet, Emma. Wait for Dad.
Hey, this looks amazing.
Dad, I made the sandwiches!
You did? Wow, Tom.
I helped too, Dad.
Of course. Thank you, Emma.
Okay, everyone, sit down. Oh, wait, we need more drinks. Come inside. Help me, Tom.
All right, 2 minutes. Let's go.
Okay, Mom! I want to help too.
Honey, do you see this?
The sandwiches? Gone.
The fruit? Gone.
The cookies? Also gone. Wait, my sandwiches are gone too? I made those!
I know, buddy. I know.
Ham and cheese, Dad. Ham and cheese. But who took the food? Nobody is here.
The gate. Is it open?
The gate is closed.
Then how? We are detectives now. Yes, Detective Emma. Ready. No food, no crumbs. Very strange. Tom, I have a theory. Tell me. Maybe a ghost ate our food. A ghost? But Emma, ghosts don't eat. Maybe this ghost is hungry. New theory. Maybe aliens took it. Aliens? Yes, they love sandwiches. They came from space.
Tom, Emma, there are no ghosts, there are no aliens.
Aww. Maybe Dad is the alien. Emma, stop.
Guys, come here. Look at this.
Not a ghost, not an alien, something with 4 legs.
He ate everything. All of it. By himself.
His belly is so big.
Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! He ate our picnic! Our sandwiches! Our fruit! Our cookies, Emma! Our cookies! This is not okay, dog. You are in big trouble.
Oh no, he got into your food again? Again? This happened before?
I am so sorry, Mike. His name is Max. Max loves food. All food.
Max ate our picnic, Mr. Leo.
I know, Emma. I'm really sorry.
Why does he do this?
Dogs don't understand. They don't know this is your food. They only think food is food.
He's not bad, just hungry.
He looks very happy.
I will buy you new food, I promise.
No, it's okay, Mr. Leo. We have more food inside. We can make new sandwiches.
Thank you, Mike. You are very kind.
Mike, come here.
What's wrong?
This chicken, it was outside too long.
Oh no! You're right.
That smells terrible. We can't eat this.
The fruit salad too, also bad.
Dad, are you thinking what I'm thinking?
Max ate the food. Before we ate the bad food.
Max saved us? The dog is a hero?
I think, yes, Max is our hero today.
Okay, Max. You are still annoying, but thank you. He said, "You're welcome, Tom."
I made a huge mistake at the library.
Tom, are you ready?
Yes, Mom, I am ready.
Good. Put on your shoes. We go now.
Can I bring my backpack?
Yes, but be careful. The library is a quiet place.
I know, Mom. I am always careful. Tom? Careful? That's funny.
Good afternoon. Hello. Welcome to the library. How can I help you? Hello. We want to find books for my children. Of course. The children's section is on the left.
Thank you. Thank you.
Shh. You need to be quiet.
Sorry. Thank you. Wow. Look at all these books. Wow. The Big Book of Dinosaurs. Emma, look. A dinosaur book, a robot book, and a cat book. Pick one, Tom. You can only take 3 books. Only 3? That's not many. Tom, 3 books. Choose. Okay, I want the dinosaur book, and the robot book, and this one about a big red dog. Good choices. Mom, I have my books. I have the dino. Oops.
Oh my goodness. Are you okay?
I am okay. But the books. Tom, what happened? I don't know. My foot and my bag, and then boom. I told you. Not careful. Miss Green. I am very sorry.
It's okay, Tom. Accidents happen.
I can help. I can pick up all the books.
Thank you, Tom. That is very kind.
Tom,
Let's help Miss Green. Pick up the books, carefully this time.
yes, Mom. I help too. Wow, look at all these books. Let's put them back together. I found a spot for this one. D. This book goes here. Letter D for dog. Very good, Tom. You know the alphabet? Yes. A, B, C, D. I know all of them.
Where does this one go?
It says
Robots. That goes on the R shelf. R for robot.
Here! I found it!
Good job, Tom.
Thanks, Mom. The mighty T-Rex roared. Ooh, and stomped his feet.
Tom. I have something for you.
For me? What is it?
A special sticker. It says, Helper of the Day.
Really? For me?
You made a mess,
Ah,
but you cleaned it up.
huh.
That is very good.
Thank you, Miss Green. Ha ha ha. I love the library.
One small gift made a big difference.
Wow! Surprise! Close your eyes, Emma. I have a surprise for you.
A surprise?
Okay. My eyes are closed. Wow! A pink dress! It is so beautiful, Mom. Is it for me? Yes! It is for you, my dear. I bought it today. Do you like it? I love it so much!
Yeah.
Thank you, Mom. You are the best mom in the world. Oh, sweetheart. Hello, my name is Emma. What is your name?
Hi. My name is Mia. I live near here.
Why are you sad, Mia?
Tomorrow is my birthday. Oh, but I have no nice clothes. Okay. I get it.
I wish you were here to wear this with me, Mia. Mia has no pretty dress. She needs it more than me.
I will give her my dress. But I will not tell anyone. It is my little secret. Mom bought this dress for me. But I want Mia to smile. That is more important.
I hope she likes it. Mia, happy birthday! This is a gift for you.
For me?
What is it? Open it, Mia. I hope you like it. Oh, a pink dress. It is so beautiful. Thank you so much, Emma.
Thank you. You're the best.
La da da doom. Almost ready.
Anyone here? Just me. Good morning.
Emma, where is your new dress?
I gave it to a girl. Her name is Mia. Today is her birthday. She has no nice clothes, Mom.
You gave away the dress I bought for you?
Yes.
I wanted her to be happy. I am sorry, Mom. You gave your favorite dress to someone who needed it more. We love you, Emma. You make us very happy.
Morning.
We need to tell you something.
It's important.
Emma, I am very proud of you.
Really, Dad? Are you not angry?
No. Giving to others is good.
Good?
Yes, you have a kind heart.
We love you, Emma. You make us very happy.